Hello everyone. I just would like to make an announcement, and I hope you will stay with me after this message that I will deliver to you. You might wonder na wala na akong ina-upload na event na panibago. It's because there's circumstances na arise sa family namin, and I have this eldest daughter. She had this cervical cancer. This happened last year, and before August na discover na. Then she have this surgery. Medyo akala ko okay na, and last May 2 of this 2024 may na-discover naman daw na may tumubo. So all of us were devastated about the news. And medyo we're short kami sa budget. This is the first time na humihingi ako sa inyo ng tulong. I'm appealing to you all and begging for mercy kung pwede tulungan nyo kami, or sana ko na lang. And this is the first time na ginawa ko ito. So sa lahat-lahat ng mga followers ko, lahat ng mga kasama ko sa Bureau of Fire Protection nationwide, I'm asking for any amount na sa mga kaibigan ko sa Amity, Amity Fire Brigade, Chamber Volunteer Fire Brigade, LGU natin, Mayor, of course, lahat ng mga barangay captain na dito sa Bacolod. Kung pwede lang sana na matulungan yung precious daughter ko. Gusto ko pa sana makasama siya ng mahaba. Please help me help her to live longer. It's possible not just to survive, but to thrive and to live a healthy, wonderful life again. Sana matulungan niyo ako.
Be not afraid. I have made you. I have saved you. I have called you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Wish ko lang good for you is I want you to be happy and be safe and good health. I always include you sa prayers ko for you to be guided every day. It's your day today, and I want you to enjoy the rest of it. I miss you and I love you so much. I love you, Papa.
Pass through waters that rage, I am with you. In the rivers you shall not drown. Walk through the fire and its flames will not consume